Hi, it's Dr. B again with another Toolkit Tuesday. Today I want to talk to you about negative thinking. So I've had a number of conversations with clients and friends over the last week or so talking about these negative thought patterns that we get ourselves into. And I want to teach you a tool that's going to help you snap out of it using brain science as your friend. So usually look something like this. Something is unknown. You've got an unknown outcome. Maybe it's you're waiting on a project proposal to come back. Maybe you're waiting for test results to be revealed. Maybe you're waiting for a promotion or a new job or something. And what happens is your brain is set for survival. And your brain being set for survival wants to investigate all the negative possibilities that could happen if something either does or doesn't happen the way you want it to. So the tool that I have for you is called the worst case approach. Now there's a disclaimer at the bottom of it. You're going to want to check that out. But the worst case approach has 3 parts, real easy. The 3 parts are, okay, so what would I do if the worst thing happened? So I don't get the job, I don't get the promotion, I don't land the gig, I get negative test results back, etc., etc., etc. So what will I do if that happens? Like, what's the worst thing that can happen? What will I do, number 2, if the worst thing happens? And the third piece is, how will I prevent it from being the worst case in the first place? So for test results, I can't really do anything, right? For getting the job, maybe I can follow up again. Maybe I can extend myself another application in the meantime. Maybe I can throw another proposal on the fire. Maybe I can reach back out to the client and see if there's something I can add to sweeten the deal. So the 3 parts is looking at what is the worst that can happen, what will I do if the worst thing happens, and how will I prevent or reduce the worst thing from being the worst thing? So when you do that, you allow your nervous system to settle a little bit because it's imagined itself not only in that worst case, but with a 2-part solution, which is what you do if it happens and what you'll do to make it less likely to happen or happen as badly. So, but be careful, and here's the disclaimer at the bottom. It's in the book as well, in Unflappable. Remember, if you haven't already picked up your copy, you need to hop on over to my website and click the link to add yourself to my community, as well as pick up a copy of Unflappable, How Smart People Quit Overthinking, Ditch the Drama, and Thrive at Work. And at the bottom of that tool, in worst case approaches, don't get too into worst case approach by circling back and around on it, because then you could get into the bad habit of rehearsing dangers, which is another tool, which I'll get to another week. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for sharing, for liking, for commenting, and also for spreading the love of Unflappable. It is flying off the shelves, and for good reason, because it's a toolkit that really does help you address so many problems faced in your personal and professional life and help you to face them differently. So with that, have a great day and be unflappable. Bye.